Hello and welcome to Undet for Revit. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our new tool called Create Views. This tool is created so that we can create, let's say, for one category of element on each level, one sheet where we have front view, top view, and side view for each of the elements. How it can be helpful is that you can check quickly all these families if the representation is nice and clean. If families are good, you can check the alignment of those elements and you can check all of these elements against raster images made by batch processing. So instead of making many sections or many views for each of the element, you can just have all these sections and views made up automatically by this tool in one sheet and just analyze it quickly. So let's see how it works. So we'll need to go to Undet tab and click on Create Views. And let's see, let's try to make analysis for the doors. So we'll turn on doors only for ground floor, press OK. And now it will take few seconds and create a sheet with all the doors on the ground floor with all the views possible, so which is front, top and side. And now it's completed. Let's go to sheet. So you see Canford ground floor doors. Once we'll open, we can see clearly that this is top view, side view and front view for all of the doors which are available at that moment in the ground floor. Now, how you can check alignment is basically all these front view and side views are based on relative height. So, for example, if this door is lower than this one, so that means it's whatever is the difference is the difference in elevation of both of the doors. So, if we have elements which we want to keep on the same height, we can easily just make, let's say, annotation line and just align all these doors correctly, or anything else which we want to do. What else we can do is basically just say, okay, representation, maybe there is any problem. You can just see everything quickly. Also, you can create raster images for all these views and check all these families against point cloud within one sheet. So how we can do it is if you'll go to your sections, you'll find all these sections which are on the sheet. You just need to open one of them. Then let's select all these. Let's just select few for this example. So let's say we can select half of these doors. We can turn on the batch processing for floor forward images. Let's create floor forward image at 5mm resolution and click on screen area. So now it'll open each view which we selected one by one and create raster images for that, and it'll update itself in the sheet. There we go. Now we can go back to our sheet and we can check everything against the point cloud. So if frames are okay, placement of the door panel is okay. In plan view, we can change this offset and check the door swing also. So for example, and we can check in front view if everything is correct or not. So we can see here we made a mistake. So the height and the width of the door should be different. Hence, this is pretty handy way to check everything quickly in one sheet instead of creating manual work where you'll have to create a lot of section, analyze everything individually. I hope this will help you in your quality checks and QA. Thank you.